Previous class we did exercise 1C. Now we will continue the exercise 1D, knowing numbers. See children, it is very easy exercise. Round each of the following nearest 10. Suppose you want to take 3425, 3425. See children, how we can? Nearest 10, you want to round up. So 3425 is there, 3425. You want to consider 20 is having the answer 10's place. Here 5 is there, means you want to take next number 3430. It is very nearest. The answer 25 is very nearest to 30. See children. So 3425 is very nearest to 10 is 3430. As well as children, here also you want to take 357 is there. So after 5 will coming next number. Then also after 7 is there. It is also after 5. That's why you want to take next number. What then also 350 is there. You want to write 50 after next 10 is 60 because 5 after next number is 60. So 357 is very nearest. The 10 is 60. Okay, this is 360 children. As well as children, try this. Do it your come. Then also do it yourself in your home children. What is that? First question is 6428, 6428 and 7439. Children, do it yourself. So next we want to go to next number. Next question children. What is that next question? You want to solve. See children, round each of the following nearest numbers, the nearest 100. 10 over children. Next you want to go to 100. That is second line children. What is the second line? Okay, this is second line. Round each of the following nearest 100. So what is that question? 2400. So 2463. What is that question? Is 24,693. 24,963. See children, you want to find the 100, nearest 100. See children, here 963 is 60 because more than 5 will coming means then also you want to take next number. So here 100, how you can take children? This one also 900. You will come then also. This is very nearest to 25,000. See children, 25,000. 900 is very nearest to because then also that is also nearest to 1000 because 24 after next you want to add next 1000 means that is 25,000 because it is very nearest to 900. Very nearest to also 25,000. Children, you want to take next question. What is that next question? 30925. 30925 children. 30925. Here you want to take 100. 925 because 3 then also 30,000. 925. 30925. It is 925. It is there also less than 5 means you want to write here. This is 900. That's why 30,900. It is very simple. It is also equal to 900. You can understand children. It is very nearest means then also 2 is less than 5. That's why you want to take only 900. That is 30,900. Children, you want to take homework. Next sums. Try these children in this mind. What is that question? You want to take children 27563. 27563. Third question. And the fourth question is 14675. 14675. So the fifth question is what is that? So 10392. 10392. Children, do not come this one in your homework children. Okay, children, you want to go to next mind. What is that next mind? Round each of the following nearest 1000. First 10 over, 100 over. Next you want to go to 1000 children. Share up this time children. Okay. Next is third line. Round each of the following is the nearest 1000 children. How we can calculate? See children. First question. Round each of the following. This is third line. Round each of the following nearest 1000. What we can take? First question is 4,452. 4,452. See children here 4,400. So because 400 is 4 is less than 5 means then also you want to take here this is nearest only 4,000. Here more than 5 or 5 means you want to consider next number. Here 4,400. 4 is less than 5. That is you want to consider this is 400. Sorry 4,000. Children next you want to take next question. Second one. Big one 2656. Next question is 2656. This is nearest 1000 children. See children 2656. After there are so 5 means will come in. This automatically change the next number. 2656. This is also more than 5. More than 500 is there or 5 is there. That's why you want to write this one 3000. So 2656 it is very nearest 1000 means it is 3000 children. You can understand children. See once again 4452. This is 400 is there. So before 500 means you want to write as it is 4000. So this is nearest to 4000. 2656. So here 600 is there. 600 is very nearest to the next 1000. That's why you want to take 2656 is very nearest to 3000. Any doubt children here? No doubt. Children, this mine also want to take homework children. Try this. Okay, you want to write this. What is that homework sums? Children, you want to take 12985. Okay, what we can take 129875. 129875. First question. Second question we want to take children 124356. 124356. Children, as well as last question 10952. 10952. So do what come children? These sums. First is 129875. Second sum is 124356. And the fifth sum is 10952. Children, next we want to go to very nearest numbers, that is 10,000. Children, here also we want to take next 10,000, nearest 10,000 place. Shall I write children this one? Next you want to go to next line. What is that sums? Okay. Want to take children nearest 10,000s. Children, what is that first question children? You want to take 84562. So 845 according to that then also 625. Children, you want to take very nearest 10,000. Here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 84,000. Sorry, what then also it is very nearest 10,000. How we can consider children? 8,45,625. Here 45,600 is there. That's why you want to write children here. This is 8 as it is. Then also 45,000 is there. That's why you want to write 46,000 is very nearest. Because 5,600 there. That's why you want to write children here 46,000. 8 lakhs 46,000. It is very nearest to 10,000. Children, as usual, you want to take next question. What is that? Second question is 243,925. 243,925. See children here 43,925 is there because 3 is less than 5. That's why you want to take children 2 lakh. This is 43 means you want to round figure, that is 40,900 or whatever it is also 40,000 children. What we can write? So according to that, this is 2,40,000. You want to take only 10,000, not for then also 41,000 like that. You want to take only 2,40,000. It is very nearest 10,000. You can understand children. Children, this sum also I will give to over children. Give to yourself. Want to take children. I will give one then also as well as 129864. This one also you want to take 129864. Children, last one you want to take. What is that? Fifth one is 724385. So do what come children? These two sums. So 1,29,864. Here also 7,24,385. It is nearest 10,000. You want to do what come children's homework. Children's next 5th May we want to go to estimate the product or estimate the sum and estimate the product and estimate the division. Okay, whatever it may be, sum, product and then also division. You want to solve children's one by one. What is that? Next question is 5th question. Estimate the sum of the following. Shall I rub children this one? Very good children. Next, you want to go to 5th month in exercise 1D. That is 5th question. Estimate the sum by round off to nearest. What is that? Estimate the sum. Estimate the sum by rounding off. By rounding off or round off, whatever it is, both are set. Rounding off. But it is very nearest to nearest 10. Very simple children, to nearest 10. Suppose you want to take children nearest 10 and 1000 and 10,000. The given. So two numbers you want to take children. First one is you want to take addition. First question is what is that? 16452 plus children you want to take. So 21434 plus 21434 plus children you want to take 6,556 children see that this sum you want to add and then also make the nearest 10 children. Here see children how we can consider 16,452 is there. So how we can write it? There is very nearest number. So 16,450 you want to take children 16,450. First very simple 16,450 nearest 10 and here also 21,430 plus here also 65,000. Correct children? According to 6,550 or then also 60 is there because 56 is very nearest to 60 children. Children, how we can consider here 16,450 and 21,430 and 6,560. You want to add children these both numbers. How we can consider here also 61,000. Okay? How we can write here also 16,000. So first you want to add thousands. Here also 21,000. 21,000. So this is thousands. Next you want to take children's hundreds. Here also 400. So here also 400. Correct children? And here also what is there also 560 means 500 children. You want to hard this one. So next tens place 1000, 100 and tens. This is 50 plus 30 plus 60. Children how you can hard this one. Then also see children. Want to hard then also 7 plus 37,000. Here also you can hard children. So here 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 13,300. Correct children? Here also you can hard. How you can add this also 1,100 plus 60 plus 50 is 110. 110 plus 30 is 140. Children you can add both. 37,000. Okay? And 1,000 plus 1,000. How we can write 37,000. You can easily add. Then also how we can write then also 1,300 plus 140. Correct children? You want to do like that. So 38,440. This sum is completely we can write 38,440. 440 is very nearest 10. Tens is very nearest to 40. That is only 440 means then also we are nearest 40. See children 38,440. You can understand children. Estimate the sum by rounding up to nearest 10. Not for 100, not for 1000. You want to make 16,450 to 21,434 and 6,556. First you want to consider 16,450 because 52 is very nearest to 50 And here also 21,434 is very nearest to 30. And here also 6,556 nearest to 60. Children, we can add this one. First you can make there also thousands, hundreds and 50. As usual you can there also want to add any type method also. So totally how we can get 38,440. 40 is very nearest. So 40 only. Children, next we want to take another sum, children. Shall I write this one? Children, you want to take next sum. That is, what is that next sum, children? You want to take, children? Okay. Estimate the difference. So they are given here sum. Next, you want to take difference. Difference means subtractions. Difference means subtraction. Correct, children? So next you want to take sixth one. What is that? Estimate the difference by rounding up to nearest. What is that? Then also hundreds. Whatever to hundreds or tens. Whatever you want to take. Hundreds. See, children? Okay. What is that first question? See, children, 7,531 minus 1,960. Children, how we can make this one? You want to take here 7,531. It is very nearest to 530. This one 7,550 means you want to take this is. How we can write this one also? 7,500 only, because 531 is very nearest to 500. Here also 1,916. Children, how we can write this one also? Minus 1,900, because 916 is very nearest to 900. Children, now we can subtract 7,500 minus 1,900. You want to subtract, children. So 5 minus 9 cannot be subtracted, children. You want to take carry. 15 minus 9 is 6, children. Correct? So here 6 is there. 6 minus 1 is become then also 5, children. So what is that answer here also? 5,600. Correct, children? So I will give this type of sums to homework, children. Do and come, children. Shall I write this one, children? Okay. I will give one sum and one difference sum. Children, you want to nearest take. What is the first question is? First question is sum, children. You want to take. First one is sum. So 21,470 plus 12,437 plus 230. Okay, children. This is also do and come, children. No homework. Children, as usually, difference you want to take. Difference. Correct, children? What is that question? Difference is, first you want to take 9525. 9525 minus 3542. Okay, children? These two sums will do and come homework, children. Next class we will solve the product, find the product and difference. So see that what is that sum? It is make a nearest 10. Sum is nearest 10, children. This one is nearest 100. Nearest 100, children. First one is 21,470 plus 12,437 plus 2,301. Difference is also 9,525 minus 3,432, children. Okay, children, do and come. Tomorrow we will continue this exercise. Only one exercise, one line is there. That is only estimate the product. Tomorrow we will continue the class, children. Thank you, children.